बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि। I am Kaleem Ahmed and most welcome on my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for that the more updates will soon coming to you. Share and like my channel and follow us for learning programming. Okay, in this lecture we will study some programs, only some. Okay, the first one program is write a program that displays a message and value of integer and character variable. The second one is write a program that adds two floating point numbers and shows the sum on the screen. And the third one is write a program to calculate and print the area of rectangle with given height and width. So the first program we can see, we can write a program, वो प्रोग्राम लिखें जिसमें हम डिस्प्ले करवाएं एक मैसेज, कोई भी मैसेज, नो स्पेसिफिक, कोई भी उन्हें मखसूस नहीं कहा, कोई भी मैसेज डिस्प्ले करवाना है हमने ऑन द स्क्रीन। एंड वैल्यू ऑफ इंटीजर, दो वैल्यू ऑफ इंटीजर हमने शो करवानी है। एंड करैक्टर वेरिएबल और करैक्टर वेरिएबल, यानी कि इंटीजर और करैक्टर वेरिएबल की वैल्यू शो करवानी है और एक मैसेज हमने डिस्प्ले करवाना है ऑन द स्क्रीन। तीन चीजें हमने स्क्रीन पर सिर्फ आउटपुट के जरिए शो करवानी है। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम लेट्स वी स्टार्ट प्रोग्रामिंग। प्रोग्राम नंबर 1, at the first we read the header file #include iostream.h। अगर आप .h लगाना चाहते हैं तो that is perfect. If you can't write .h the header, you can write using namespace std. Okay, at the last we use terminator. int main function लगाएंगे हम। Okay, let's we start our program. That's the we write header files. After writing header file, we write the body of the program. The program statement says us display a message on the screen with values of integer and character variable. So हम लेंगे इंटीजर टाइप का एक वेरिएबल, कोई भी ले लें, हम यहाँ पे a ले लेते हैं, इसे इनिशियलाइज करवा देते हैं 5 से। एट द लास्ट वी यूज टर्मिनेटर। दूसरा हम ले लेते हैं कैरेक्टर ch ले लेते हैं और इसे हम इनिशियलाइज करवा देते हैं परसेंटेज से करवा दें। अब कोई भी वैल्यू आप लिखना चाहें, सो दैट्स इज परफेक्ट। वी कैन राइट हियर स्टैटिक और मल्टीप्लाई। ओके, एट द लास्ट डोंट फॉरगेट यूज द टर्मिनेटर। इफ यू कांट यूज इट, हियर इज एन एरर, दैट्स इज द सिंटैक्स एरर। ओके, आफ्टर दैट we display a message on the screen. For that we use cout. कोई भी मैसेज आप टाइप कर लें, अपना नेम टाइप कर लें और प्रोग्राम टाइप कर लें। here we can type testing output. okay, just as you wish you can write. okay, here we can sum dots and at the last I am use the terminator. The second output is integer type variable, and next is character ch. As you can write the first as write the second. Okay, if you can write small in the first, you can write small in the second's output. Second mean in the output. Okay, return 0. However, we can use here int main. If you can use a void main, you can use at the last of the program get ch. After writing a program body, we can compile it. Here sometime I hope that's the simple program in which we can only display some message on the screen. So as you see on the output screen, testing output and some dots, and choose star after 10, because we can write integer type first, so the value of integer type variable a in the first and the character ch variable in the second. Okay, so the logic of that program is that in the program we declare two variable and initialize them variable with the name a and ch, and display a message testing output on the screen, and after that we can display the value of variables here. You can see the blue shade. Display the values of variable a and ch. Okay, at the use last we use return 0. So the second one program is write a program that add two floating point number and show the sum. हमने two floating point numbers लेने हैं. Here with or after using floating point numbers, we can show the sum on the screen. Okay, floating points. अब हम float दो variables, we can declare two variables and initialize them, and the third one is the result. Here we can add, and after adding we can show their result in the variable result. Okay, the variable 1, as you can write, there is no confusion, you can write as variable 2 and result result. Okay, at the last don't forget the terminator. We can initialize variable 1 is equal, as you can write 24 point something. You can write here, I can write 24.27, and the second variable initialized by 41.50 or 51, as you can write. Okay, at result we can know that is, we can type double time r, variable 1 plus variable 2. Okay, at the last we use terminator. We can show cout on the screen, output on the screen variable 1, and we use inverted commas for using the assignment operator, and we use variable 2. Okay, after that we use is equal symbol, or after we can type result. As you see that's the procedure of our cout output display on the screen as the maths question to sum first and second, add, and after them show result. After that return 0 and use terminator, so we can compile it. So as you can write, for saving this we can save it .c++. For that, if you can an error here. In this program we have two floating variables, and initialize them with any value as you can write, and after initialize you can show the result of them. Here we can write 24.27 plus 41.51 is equal to 65.78. That's the perfect result of that floating variables. And the second one program is, and the third one program is, we can copy it for typing. Okay, we can write firstly at the before starting the program, we can write header files. The third program is that calculate and print the area of rectangle with given height. Okay, हमने किसी भी रेक्टेंगल का एरिया दिया गया है और उसकी हाइट भी दी गई है और एरिया प्रिंट करना है और विड्थ भी. ओके, वी कैन स्टार्ट दैट प्रोग्राम. हम इंटीजर में लेंगे क्योंकि हाइट, विड्थ और एरिया ऑलवेज इन इंटीजर, एंड आफ्टर multiplying height and width we can find the area. So in integer height, width and area, height is equal 7 of a rectangle and width of a rectangle is 9. As you can write as you wish. Okay, after initialize the height and width, we can find the area. Area is equal at height multiplied by width. Okay, at the last we can use terminator, use the cout. We can show its result, the area of a rectangle on the display screen. So we can write as area of a rectangle is equal area at the last return 0 and use terminator. Okay, as you hope you can write the name. Okay, here is an error, we can type here terminator and we can compile it again. Here is an error. The error is HEI, as we can write upon HEIGHT. Here we can HEA, that is the GHT. I hope there is that's the simple program, so there is no confusion and we can compile it easily if you can learn it perfectly. So that's the answer. The area of a triangle is 6397. वो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, हाइट मल्टीप्लाई विथ, दैट्स द area of a triangle. We can show the good result of that program. I hope that you can learn it quickly, and that program are simply. So thank you for watching. Inshallah we can meet in the next lecture. तब तक के लिए take care.